Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. This is going to be a live stream recap of the late night stream. And no, we haven't gotten confirmation of the VeChain and Europe Asia deal, but that's probably going to come tomorrow morning because they're kind of doing a press conference right now. I don't have the live stream to it. It's in China. I'm not in China, obviously, so don't really have access to that right now. So there's three stories today. There's one article about how dormant Bitcoin whales can actually crush the market. And they can because a lot of those dormant wallets actually have 50,000, 80,000, 10,000, 20,000 Bitcoins in it. If they decide to sell at once, then they can actually bring the price of Bitcoin down a couple hundred points or even 1,000 points if the biggest ones actually sell. But if you actually look at those wallets, they have never actually transferred out of those wallets, but there has been transfers into those wallets as recent as the last month. So those wallets are dormant, but I don't think someone lost the keys. I'm pretty sure they still have the keys because people are still transferring into those wallets. They're probably just holding wallets or gathering wallets. So that's the thing with the BTC whales. We have to just hope and pray that they don't decide to all sell at once, because one of those wallets actually did sell last year all at once, and it dropped Bitcoin by several hundred points. And that was like last August, September, about a year and 2 months ago. And that dropped Bitcoin by about 800 points all at once. So they do have the power to do that. And they've identified several wallets, with the biggest one having over 80,000 Bitcoin in it. So that can definitely manipulate the market price of a coin. So we all know that VET got listed on Binance.us. That will probably not pump up the price of VeChain immediately, but it will do wonders for VeChain in the next bull run because US investors now have a gate to VeChain. Now, when the trading actually opens, it might pump VeChain some more, but I don't expect a gigantic pump because VeChain, I don't expect a gigantic pump because Binance.us just doesn't have the volume right now to have a gigantic pump. So I did not get, like I said, I didn't get the confirmation for the China-Europe thing, but I know they're using RFID tags to track authenticity of beef, vegetables, and wine. And that does sound like VeChain, but until I get confirmation, I'm not going to say it's VeChain. But I think there's a decent possibility it is. Of course, I think the biggest news for me at Swell so far was that XRP has opened up an AUS PHP corridor between Australia and the Philippines. Now that corridor is not nearly as big as USD MXN, but it's slowly building the volume of XRP around different corridors. So not AUS, AUD PHP will be a corridor that's open. It's used by FlashFX. I think FlashFX is actually a really small company, but maybe it'll grow in the future. So they're building the ecosystem slowly, which is good news. Slow and steady. I don't expect any kind of price increase. Actually, I do expect a price retracement right after swell, like always, basically. And XRP will probably just increase with the rest of the market down the line as well. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.